Hello everyone, welcome back to class. If you are looking for a speech that is simple, confident, and leaves a lasting impression on your audience, then you are at right place. Let us start the speech. I hope you will find it useful. Good morning everyone, respected principal, honorable teachers, distinguished guests, and my dear friends. I extend my warm greetings to all of you. It's a great honor for me to speak on the occasion of Hariyali Teej. I wish you all a very happy Teej. Hariyali Teej is one of the most joyful and culturally significant festivals of India. It is celebrated during the holy month of Shravan when nature is at its most beautiful. The fresh greenery, cool breeze, and pleasant weather make this festival a true celebration of life and nature. According to Hindu tradition, Goddess Parvati performed deep penance with great faith and determination to marry Lord Shiva. Her devotion was rewarded and Lord Shiva accepted her as his divine consort. Hariyali Teej celebrates this sacred union and reminds us of the values of love, patience, faith, and dedication. On this day, married women observe a fast and pray for the well-being and long life of their husbands. The festival is made even more colorful with beautiful mehendi, traditional attire, folk songs, swings, and family celebrations. Hariyali Teej also carries an important message for all of us. The word Hariyali means greenery, reminding us to protect nature and preserve our environment. Planting trees, conserving water, and keeping our surroundings clean are meaningful ways to celebrate the spirit of this festival. Let us celebrate Hariyali Teej not only with joy and traditions but also with gratitude, kindness, and respect for our culture and our environment. Thank you very much, and once again, happy Hariyali Teej to everyone.